Headlines making the evening news. Man charged with attempted murder in Kingston. St. Thomas men charged for possession of gun and ammo. Igla charged after robbing $2,000 from 3 persons. A 29-year-old Kingston man has been charged with attempted murder in connection with an incident that took place at Oxford Market in the parish on Tuesday, August 16, 2022. Charge is Recorder Rodney, otherwise called Kemar, of Regent Street, Kingston 14. Reports are that about 11:30 p.m., the victim was in his shop when Rodney locked him inside. He later reportedly poured a corrosive substance on the building and set it ablaze. The victim escaped with the assistance of another man who opened the door. The police were summoned and Rodney was taken to the hospital where he was admitted in critical condition with several burns to his face and body. On Thursday, March 16, 2022, Rodney was arrested, and on Wednesday, March 22, he was charged after a question and answer session in the presence of his attorney. His court date is not yet finalized. A 48-year-old man has been charged with robbery with aggravation following an incident along Arbor Street in the parish on Tuesday, March 28. Charge is Neville Ferron, Igla of Regent Street, Kingston 14. Reports from the Central Police are that about 1:27 a.m., 3 people were traveling along Arbor Street when their vehicle ran out of petrol. They were approached by Ferron, who offered his assistance, but they refused. After their refusal, Ferron brandished a knife and robbed them of $2,000 and a pair of earrings, then escaped on foot in the area. The police were summoned, and upon their arrival, Ferron was pointed out by the complainants. He was taken into custody and subsequently charged. His court date is being finalized. 2 men were arrested and charged after they were found to be in possession of a Beretta 9mm pistol along with 14 9mm rounds of ammunition in White Horses, St. Thomas on Friday, March 17. Charged with unauthorized possession of ammunition and possession of prohibited weapon are 28-year-old Richard Watson, landscaper of Sandy Spring, White Horses, and 28-year-old Tevin Wright, farmer of Cattle Hill, White Horses in the parish. Reports are that about 6 a.m., an intelligence operation led lawmen to the home of Watson. The house was searched, which yielded the weapon, along with the ammunition being found in a knapsack bag in a bedroom occupied by him. Both men were charged on Tuesday, March 28, following a question and answer session.